We put together programs that went all the way out into the galaxy, not just this galaxy.
The collective story that these insiders have shared with me has utterly revolutionized the whole basic discussion.
Your parents dropping you off at school just like any other day, except that day you're pulled aside and told you're going to go on a field trip.
We were taken to some kind of facility out on the Nevada desert.
We learned and we trained and we did all sorts of operations when we were there.
They would give us a chemical through a shot.
And he injected me in the side of the neck.
Little did I know that I was going to be drafted in the secret space program.
There is and has been an ongoing extrasolar planetary colonization program that's been going on for decades and decades.
Some believe that Kennedy was actually given information by Forrestal about secret space programs.
President Kennedy was indeed going to make some announcements. When he was eliminated in a very public way, the cabal came into power in a very public way.
The deep state is a group of very powerful individuals that have acquired a lot of money, a lot of technology.
No one will ever be able to oppose these people.
Every book on this planet is misinformation.
To program our minds away from the truth. Physics, medicine, history, everything we are taught is wrong.
The evidence is voluminous.
Free energy.
Time travel.
The secret space program.
Already discovered.
We will become a truly galactic civilization.
This may sound like insanity. This is what happened.
This film is the red pill that wakes you up to what's really going on in the world.